1964 Ford Galaxie 500 at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, it is badged up, as you can see, Galaxie 500 XL. I would consider this an XL tribute. Of course, the fastback or sports roof look to this one. Has had a repaint to the bright red that you do see. Red interior. Now that also has XL treatments to it. Let you go ahead and take a look at the front grille, chrome on the bumper. See, it does show well. Underneath the hood on this one, from what we can see, there's no casting numbers on it. It's believed to be a 390 replacement block is kind of what the clues lead us to as far as engine on this one. Automatic transmission, also has AC, power steering. And if you want to check out the still pictures, you can take a look at the engine bay, check it out from the underside interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 427 badges there. XL wheel covers. See the bright work, nice and straight on the passenger side of this car. The paint's in fine condition. You'll find a few little spots where the red's been touched up, maybe a little rock chip here and there, but overall you can see the paint shows well, as well as the interior that has also been redone. Center console with a shifter on the floor. The AC, we have not had it working. It appears the components are there though, and again, you'll be able to check out those still pictures. I'll tell you where to do that in a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust, chrome rear bright work. Also shows well. Again, 500 XL insignias on this, and the trim work also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We can check out the still pictures. Take a look up and down the driver's side. This car was actually built in Los Angeles and originally delivered to Phoenix, Arizona DSO, FYI. All right, take a look at the interior on this one. Door panel. Of course, carpeting, floor mats. Does have seat belts up front, as you can see. Vinyl buckets, those are in fine shape. Headliner, also in good condition. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So you can hear this run. We're going to check out the engine bay. Snoop it over a little closer. Have not had the radio working either, by the way. Wipers do work. Take a look at the dash. Nice deep exhaust note on this one. Throaty little growl to it. Slip around back so you hear it run. Door closes, it fits nicely. Ooh, listen to that, good sounding engine. A little rumble coming out of that Ford. Alright, let me slip up to the front here. When I pop this hood, I'm going to check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. As you can see, new master cylinder. Looks like door proportional valves. AC has been converted over. Like aluminum radiator, electric fan, Edelbrock carb, and again, there's no casting on this. Again, from what we can come up with, 390 replacement block from back in the day. It's smooth running, good sounding engine. That is paired up with automatic transmission. Again, power steering, AC. AC needs a little attention if you want it flow cold. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trade-ins. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.